No, well, now you got a thing to wear under it.
Oh, you should have got,
Frank, you get in his face.
No, this is a lunch bag maker.
Yep, you can make 4 different lunch bags, denim lunch bags.
Yeah, I'm so wearing this, Lana. So wearing it.
You know why? They're playing tomorrow night too.
Yeah.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, Monday night. Tomorrow's Monday, right?
they have a scarcity.
It's
What's
on
the,
Sunday.
what's the wide receiver that just retired?
Corbett.
Corbett, yeah, Corbett,
Oh
that's it.
wait, oh today.
Yeah, he's finally retired. I didn't see me played 11 years. Didn't seem like that. Boy, that's a long.
Matter of
Yeah.
fact,
Went
I'm
by
wearing it
fast. 11 years already.
They
Wow.
need him too.
now. Yeah, no.
They need him.
Do you know he has he is the number 2 selling jersey behind one other person? Guess who the number 1 all-time selling jersey is?
Joe
Michael
Namath.
Vick.
Joe Namath.
No.
No, all-time selling jersey?
Oh, you
Mhm.
talking about everybody, not just the Jets?
No, all teams. Corbett's number 2 in the NFL, not
See
the
how big.
not the Jets.
Number 1? Oh.
Whoa, that's huge.
Well, that's hard to tell. I mean, it probably stands to reason when you tell me the name, but there's so many guys.
Troy Aikman,
Oh,
number 1.
number 1.
Really?
No,
Yep,
no.
and Wayne Corbett, number 2.
Wow.